Vegetables.
Now, let us understand what are raw vegetables. Raw यानी कच्चा. बच्चों, कुछ वेजिटेबल्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जिन्हें हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं. And you know which are they? They are tomatoes, cucumber, carrot, onion, beetroot, radish, and cabbage. These all vegetables can be eaten raw. And children, these raw vegetables can also be eaten as salad. And we also use these in making sandwiches, right? And now, some vegetables have to be cooked before eating. मतलब कुछ वेजिटेबल्स हम कच्चा नहीं खा सकते, उसे कुक करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. यानी ये वेजिटेबल्स हम कच्चा यानी रॉ खाएंगे तो हमें डाइजेस्ट होने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. एंड यू मे ऑल्सो गेट स्टमक एक. नाउ लेट्स सी which are the vegetables that have to be cooked before eating. They are potatoes, brinjal, green peas, cauliflower, green beans. So, these all vegetables have to be cooked. And your mama also prepared tasty sabzis from these vegetables, right? And now, next is kids, there are some plants like tomato, brinjal, lady's finger, green peas that grow over the ground. But there are some plants that grow under the ground. अंडरग्राउंड यानी जो वेजिटेबल्स जमीन के नीचे ग्रो करते हैं, लाइक पोटैटो, कैरेट, अनियन, रेडिश, beetroot, etc. These all vegetables are called as root vegetables also. And see children, the leaves of these vegetables grow above the ground. यानी ये जो vegetables है उसके leaves ज़मीन के ऊपर ग्रो करते हैं और जो vegetables है वो ज़मीन के नीचे ग्रो करते हैं. Okay? So children, you should eat all the vegetables as they are very healthy. You have already learned few vegetables and its spellings and also related to its pictures, right? And you also know which vegetables that can be eaten raw and which vegetables can be cooked and which vegetables that grows under the ground. So look on the board children. First of all, we write the heading vegetables and then on the first page we have to write heading vegetables that can be eaten raw. और बच्चों, आपको पता है रॉ वेजिटेबल्स में कौन कौन से वेजिटेबल्स आते हैं, राइट? यस, कैरेट, टमेटो, रेडिश एंड अनियन एंड कैबेज. So first of all, we will draw carrot. Here I'll draw carrot and for that we'll make small oval shape and here we'll make cone like this and here some roots of carrots, right? And here it's like this. And now we will write the spelling of carrot. You also know the spelling, right? C A R R O T, carrot. And now we'll draw tomato. And for that, here I'll draw one star and make a circle. And now it's spelling time. T O M A T O. potato. And now here we draw radish, and for that we'll make again one oval, and here one cone also like carrot, right? And here I'll draw some roots of radish, and here I'll make two leaves of radish like this. Okay, and we will write the spelling of radish. R A D I S H, radish. And now next is onion, and for that here one standing line, and we make curve like this, and here also like this, and here one more, and its roots. Okay, and now we'll write the spelling of onion. What is the spelling of onion? Yes, O N I O N, onion. Okay, and our last drawing is cabbage, and for that we'll make one circle like this, and here two standing line and join it, and here we draw some lines, and in this circle we will draw some lines like this. Okay, and its leaves like that. And now it's spelling time. And what is the spelling of cabbage? C A B B A G E, cabbage. Now on the next page we have to write the heading, vegetables that have to be cooked. Now tell me, which vegetables that have to be cooked? Yes, potato, brinjal and green peas, right? But first of all we will draw potato. You already know how to draw potato, right? Like this. And now it's spelling time. Now tell me, what is the spelling of potato? Yes. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Right? And now next is brinjal. First of all we will draw its crown, and for that here I'll draw its crown and join with it, and here I'll write the spelling of brinjal. What is the spelling of brinjal? B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. And last is green peas. For that here slipping line and go, and here I also same. And here I'll draw this is our green piece is ready. Okay. And here I'll write the spelling of green peas. G-R-E-E-N, green peas. P-E-A-S, peas, green peas. And on the third page, we will write the heading vegetables that grow under the ground. And now tell me children, which vegetables that grows under the ground? Yes, potato, onion and carrot. Now first of all, we will draw potato. And you also know, right? Here I will write potato and its spelling. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. And now I'll draw carrot. Right? Like this. Like this. And here I'll write the spelling of carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Right? And next is onion. Right? And I'll write the spelling of onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. And children, radish is also grows under the ground, right? So here I'll draw radish. And you know how to draw radish, right? And here we make 2 leaves of radish. Okay, and now it's spelling time. What is the spelling of radish? R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. So children, you have to write and draw like this in your EVS CW book. Till then, bye-bye.